This installation video will show you how to install the Berta hydraulic soft open gas springs. For accurate installation you will need measuring tape, pencil, drill machine, 3/32 inch boring bit. To install the struts at desired opening angle, use provided picture chart. With the help of given dimension combinations you can achieve 80, 90, and 100 opening angles. In this example we will use the dimensions for the 90-degree opening. To install the round joint, make a mark on the cabinet at 9 7/10 of an inch below from the inner top edge of the cabinet. To identify the exact locations for the screws, make marks as shown in the video. Please use pencil to be able to remove marks after you finish your project. With the 3/32 inch boring bit, drill the pilot holes for the screws with the 1/2 inch depth. Place the round joint and fasten with provided screws. Do not over-tighten. Close the door to determine the proper location of the rectangular joint. Make a mark on the front of the cabinet, at the edge of the door on the gas strut side. Measure the distance from the mark you made to the inner edge of the cabinet. This will be X. Please remove the door for accurate installation of the rectangular joint. Measure and mark the distance X plus 11/32 inch from the side edge of the cabinet. To identify the exact locations for the screws, add marks relevant to a chosen opening angle given in the picture chart. 3 inches and 1 1/10 of an inch in our case. With the 3/32 inch boring bit, drill the pilot holes for the screws with the 1/2 inch depth. Place the rectangular joint and fasten with provided screws. Do not over-tighten. Attach the door to the cabinet. Make sure to attach the cylinder side of the gas strut to the door. If you have any questions, please contact us, sales@bertafurniture.com.